So I would like to share this experience that a creator had. She reached out to me sometime like about 2 weeks ago. She was talking about monetizing her channel. So suddenly YouTube deleted her channel. So fortunately for her, like in this community with the creators I've worked with all the whole deletion or termination of channels that has happened, to creators, especially those within this community, I think if I can count, over 20 channels has been deleted so far, the one that I'm aware of. And out of those 20, only one was able to, recover their channel. This creator is the second channel that I've witnessed that recovered our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share our conversation and how, like, if your channel was deleted and you feel that was an error on YouTube side, how you can recover it back. So she reached out to me and this was our conversation. Please, I just realized my YouTube account has been deleted from YouTube. What can I do, sir? Then I replied, if you think it was a mistake, you can appeal it, but I don't have any video on that. Yes, on my channel, I don't have any video about how to appeal YouTube. I mean, when YouTube deletes your channel, how to appeal it. So she replied, sir, my heart is shaking right now. I have over 3,000 watch time hours. When we talk about this channel deletion, some of us who have not experienced this don't know how severe it is, especially if you have been uploading videos on YouTube for many years. You can imagine every video on her channel, possibly there was no backup, she's not storing it elsewhere, because I'm very sure that most of us don't have a backup of our videos. So now I told her that check the mail they sent you. There should be a link to the appeal page. And she also said that she has about 2,500 subscribers. So how do I appeal? Now, this was the option from the screenshot she shared with me. This was the option that was available. So here we can see that, do you want to appeal? I want to appeal. So if you want to appeal and ask for your channel to be put back on YouTube, then we will take another look at your channel. Our reviews usually take 2 business days, although some take longer. So please, sir, I really need your help to get my account back, that is my channel back. But this is my reply: I'm sorry, I won't be able to help at this time. Watch videos on appeal on YouTube that will help you. So as of the time she reached out to me, I was even having a whole lot on my channel. In fact, there was a channel that lost about $500 just because of a mistake from my own end. And you won't believe that it was just because I was trying to help someone that has been begging me for days, and I decided to, okay, let me help this person. So while I was trying to help someone that was like, I'm practically rendering my service for free to the person, someone that paid for my service, I made her to lose over $500. So as of that time, I was personally dealing with my own issue. So she coming to me, I just felt that there's no need for me. I just told her that she should just go, because I don't have any video relating to how to appeal YouTube decision, that is when it comes to channels termination. So fortunately, it goes to some days ago. This was like Tuesday. This was about 2 days ago. She reached out to me and told me that, good morning, sir. First, I want to sincerely appreciate you for your advice when I lost my channel, my YouTube channel. It meant more than you know. I wrote the appeal and my channel was reinstated. Thank you for even replying my message. I know many creators who will read and ignore. I'm so grateful. As I speak, the same channel is almost monetized. My watch hour is over 3,700. I would like to know how much it will cost for you to review my channel and possibly guide me through monetization. I trust you will genuinely help me to avoid any mistake and error and anticipate your reply. So I told her congratulations and she should join my YouTube AdSense support program. So that's it. The fact remains that when it comes to policies like community guidelines, YouTube always updates their community guidelines. And one thing we need to also understand is that YouTube is not alone, in this situation. For example, some of us might think that maybe YouTube is becoming harsh on creators, but that's not the case. There are some other factors that is also affecting this platform called YouTube. There are pressures, there are external pressures, especially from the governments, like from the US government or from the European Union government, different governments with their own different pressures. And YouTube will always like to be in good standing with all these, governments. So like now, you see, there's a video I made some time ago that I talked about making money online being the most dangerous, or the most dangerous niche you can venture in right now. And I still see some creators still making same mistake. Why YouTube suddenly just change their policy? Just like I said, they have some other external factors that is, pressuring them to make some changes on their channel. Maybe a lot of people have lost money just by watching YouTube videos, and they are now mounting pressure on their government, and now their government is mounting pressure on YouTube. And from what I'm seeing, next year there's a particular niche that YouTube will be coming after. Next year, maybe I'm going to talk about this particular topic in a separate video. So in all, if you are very sure if YouTube gets your channel terminated or deleted, and you are very sure that you are doing the right thing, in your channel, and you feel that you didn't violate their policy, any of their policy, so you will check the link, and I will drop a link in the description where you can appeal. Possibly, maybe you don't have this option when your channel was deleted. You can check the link in the description. I will drop the link where you can appeal against YouTube's decision deleting your channel. For you to appeal your channel's termination, click on the appeal link in the description of this video. Then it will take you to this Google account help page. So here, what you need to do, read the form carefully, read it through very carefully. Enter your full name, then you enter your email address you use frequently. Then here you enter your channel's URL. So if you don't know how to get your channel's URL, you go to your YouTube studio. So right under the customization, you scroll down, and here you can see your channel's URL. Then you copy it and come back here and paste it. So when you paste it, so in this last form, you'll be required to just write a briefly explain why you think your channel was suspended in error. So you need to make it very brief, just very short. So right here, I just wrote something similar to what a creator have used to successfully appeal their channel's decision. So don't just copy this verbatim. You just need to improvise. Possibly, maybe your issue or your violation might be different from what this person has. So, but just use this as a template, and then you appeal. And I believe that if your channel was suspended or terminated in error, YouTube will definitely reinstate it back to you. So you can pause this side of the video and then go through this short explanation. So finally, before I go, I'm so happy for 𝗕𝗿𝗀𝗀𝘁. That's our channel. So 𝗕𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗁, if you are watching this video, when your channel gets to the monetization threshold, just reach out to me. I will do it for free for you. You get the point? I will do it for free for you. Your channel is the second channel that was deleted and got recovered. So I see it as a miracle. And guys, I also drop the link to our channel so that you can go to our channel, check her out. If you're enjoying the kind of content she's making on her channel, just subscribe to her and let her know you are coming from 𝗕𝗿𝗀𝘀𝗁. So I hope this video was helpful. We've learned one or two things from Blessing's experience, and I hope that as you appeal YouTube's decision, that it will favor you. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up And if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss useful videos like this from this channel. And I would like you to also drop some lovely comments for blessing to see in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.